Hello and welcome to another webinar hosted by Hira Walraven Academy. This webinar is talking about the rooftop support and how to design a reliable support for your rooftop installation and also on floor mounted installation. You can also visit our social media pages to access and our recordings of our previous webinar. I will give you a short introduction about myself. My name is Khalid Khalifa. I'm the Regional Technical Manager at Hira Walraven. I have 14 years of experience in the construction industry. I've been working in the construction industry for more than 8 years. I am specialized in anchors and MEP support system. I also have big background in mechanical engineering. I'm working with Hira Walraven since 2015. This webinar will last for the first 45 minutes. We'll be talking about the main topic of our webinar, and then we will have question and answer session for around 15 minutes. So let's get started. In this webinar, we'll talk about who we are as a company, as a Hira Walraven brand. Then we'll start our main topic. We look into rooftop support and application, advantages of Diamond Walraven fixing systems, then some application examples and some design cases to be presented to you. First of all, we'll talk about Hira Walraven, and I would like to play this video just to show you we have been here for some time now, working in some of the most interesting projects in the region, and we want to share some of our knowledge. We are launching our Hira Walraven Academy, a learning center for our industry, including webinars like this one, seminars, training sessions, and on-site coaching. Here's the video to sum up everything. So Hira Walraven is a successful joint venture company between the fixing system departments in Hira Industries. Hira Industries, it was established in the market in 1980, sorry, and the joint venture happened in 2015. Hira Industries, it consists of sales companies and manufacturing units in multiple locations across the EMEA, Asia, and USA. More than 1,100 employees from more than 20 countries, 20 different nationalities. Walraven Group, it was originated from the metalwork company Jan Walraven. It was established in 1942, and it has its production and sales companies in more than 15 countries in Europe, Asia, and USA. And it have also more than 1,000 employees, and they have more than 60 patents and counting. This is the split in for Hira Walraven, our manufacturing plants in UAE and India. Our sales companies also in Africa, Middle East, India, and Asia. UE-based manufacturer and supplier of composite fixing system solutions from pipe supports to vibration control to seismic control. Our quality, we also ISO certified, RAL certified and specified, and we are a member of MSS, designing solution to make the most demanding quality standards like the FM, UL, BDS, ETA, and RAL approval for the safe connection. We offer vast range of solution to the construction industry. We can place our solution in two major groups: installation systems, certified installation systems that consist of pipe fixing system, channel fixing system, rooftop support, which is our topic for today, vibration isolator, fixed point for the thermal expansion, sliding device, and seismic bracing. Second option is the high performance mechanical and chemical anchors, ETA approved mechanical and chemical anchors. How do we help you in our projects? How do we help you on your projects? By our technical support services in many ways. We offer you a vast range of products, we offer you vast range of our products for all of your installation needs under our brand Diamond Walraven. Starting from anchor design, application, suitable design for your application, safe and efficiency, field testing, technical support outside by performing pull-out tests, inspection, and to verify the performance of the various components of your installation system. Tailored solution for any design, any customized case, we provide tailored solution. We perform seismic bracing studies using seismic cables and also rigid support. All of our services are also supported by 3D drawings and takeoff quantities report. We have decades of experience in all types of the projects: landmark buildings, transportation network, high-rise buildings, iconic development like Dubai Expo, which will start tomorrow. We played a major part there. We supplied many of the modular support system to many contractors there. Our values are fundamentals to us. We aim to be the most preferred brand in the segment, and we'll get there by being the most innovative company in this industry. We are setting the standards and pioneering now and smart products and techniques. A large part of this derives from our core values, which we believe we are very much think smart, fair play, be transparent, open communication, be accountable, challenge yourself. And these are core values that all of our employees are following, and we are dealing in these values with our partners and customers. Going to the topic of today's presentation, which is the rooftop support. Buildings require a network of supporting system, with mechanical installation on roofs posing particular challenges. Installation demands corrosion resistant system capable of holding any type of load, safe installation for the various components of electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and firefighting systems, high service life, plus ease of maintenance and ease of installation, and also for future expansion and modification. These are the typical requirements. If you look at the first one, where corrosion is important, corrosion resistance is important, let's have a look on what is corrosion exactly. Corrosion is the ability of electromechanical process to break compounds down into elements or to create new components that can be destructive as well as productive. Corrosion can be simply put as the destructive and unintentional degradation of the material caused by its environment. It's galvanic process by which metal deteriorate through oxidation. The natural thermodynamic tendency to convert refined metals to more stable forms such as oxide and hydroxide or sulfide state. Corrosion can happen when metal are placed under high stress, causing the metal to crack. And there's corrosivity categories that we need to follow in our region, which is the static C2, C3 for low and medium corrosion resistant environment, and C4 for high corrosion resistant environment, spaces with high frequency of condensation and high pollution from production process. This is the outdoor environment that is happening in our region and most of the region. That's why any outdoor installation should be having a corrosion resistance very high to resist corrosion category of CO4 and above. That's why we are recommending Ultra Protect surface treatment or hot dip galvanized. Traditional methods are still widely used. Traditional method of a rooftop support installation still widely used, but is this an efficient approach? What we understood from the market or from the construction sites that there are difficulties and some weak point from using the traditional way, like I-beams, U-profile, L-angles, bars, etc. So when it's compared to a modular system, often it takes around 2 to 4 times of to install and generally consume more resources. These are the traditional solution, and this is obviously clear. Why? We can simply look at the solution or this point, because conventional systems are labor intensive. Installation process, beam cutting on the site with heavy tools or torches, followed by slag removal, grinding, more finishing work. We're talking about surface preparation before the welding and drilling. Of course, when you talk about welding, when it's related to resources, you are talking about the need of a certified welder, the need of certified welding tools or welding equipment, the need for third-party inspection to approve this welding, and all of these together with the time-consuming process, it will add more cost and more workload to your project. That's time-consuming, and then you might be subject to some fines. Also, after welding, you are talking about grinding of the product, then repaint or galvanize or hot dip galvanize at the site. Heavier requires more resources to fix in place. So we're talking about heavy support, I-beams, that requires more resources or even require some special hoist or special forklift to carry on the site. Although conventional systems are mechanically steady, the drawbacks outweigh the gains. What are the drawbacks? Time lost on the job. The welding requires specific health and safety and technical certification, plus time-consuming quality inspection. Greater fire hazard due to welding, specific fire protection measures need to be considered. And also there's lack of flexibility for future expansion or modification during installation, plus the higher cost in man hours, material, and energy. Although it looks rigid, it looks stronger, but the drawbacks are more than the advantages. We can see in this slide some examples of the traditional way of installing outdoor units or air handling unit on the roof using the traditional I-beams or C channels or U profiles, welding and bolting them on the ground. All these installations are constantly exposed to aggressive environmental conditions, as we discussed. More maintenance is required in this case. More maintenance like repainting, some galvanizing process can happen on the site. So it is also costly and it will add additional work. So we can see loss of metal integrity over time with the increased maintenance costs, equipment downtime, and asset depreciation. What about the support bases? Current support bases that we can see on the site are concrete blocks. These concrete blocks are weight between 30 to 50 kg, and they imposes high pressure on the roof, sharp edges, and often during drilling they sometimes breaks. So water penetration, cracks, weight depends on the roof type and structure, span of construction, girders may increase, weight of construction may increase. So if all these base is not taken into consideration by the structural engineer, by the main contractor, then it might cause additional weight or additional pressure, high pressure on the roof itself. Typical concrete bases are difficult to transport, and they might damage the roof and require more resources. We can see from this picture that some wrong installation on the roof because of non-flexibility of these concrete blocks. We can see here this, for example, this base plate were not utilized because obviously they fix it in the wrong position, and when the actual installation come in this plate, as we can see here, it is missed. The location is missed, so it's the wrong location. Some other cases that we see a lot at site is using also not complete blocks, some blocks, hollow blocks, as you can see in this, and try to fix it on the roof and try to fix some pipe support or duct support, claiming that this is very lightweight, so it can take the weight, it can take the load, it's not critical. Still, it is a critical solution to consider. This support should be studied carefully because it is affecting the lifetime of the project and of the service itself. Conventional systems are considerably less efficient and offer less return of investment, ROI. Using these types of steel sections carry some benefits, the most notable being that it is possible to design a very robust system. It's not sufficient to overcome the disadvantages. So overall, more time lost on the job using this steel profile. Welding works, again, pose greater fire hazard, requires specific health and safety technical certification, lack of flexibility, higher cost, requires anchor to fix the installation bases. Thus, more time needed, material and power. The base plate here, it's anchored to the concrete, so you are requiring drilling and purchasing anchors, special type of anchors that to be fixed here and take the load, and may need cranes and other lifting equipment, which is considerably costly. What are the advantages of Diamond Walraven fixing system on the roof? We design, fabricate, supply solution for all type of installation, from equipment support, high load support, service decks and stairs, step overs, walkway, to pipe and duct and cable tray support. You can see here in this picture, and now very sure after this slide we'll see a detailed video to talk about any of these applications. Here we're talking about starting from the walkway and step over, then big equipment, air handling unit, then mid-size equipment, pipes, duct support, small pipe support, and cable tray. This video will explain it all, and after that we'll discuss more about the product and services we can provide. Can you listen to me? No. You change the voice clip. This my voice too. So as we saw from the video, we have solution for all load applications and environmental exposure. Before we go to rooftop installation or rooftop products that we are offering, I want to go quickly through the product range that we have, starting from the light duty support channel, which is called Rapid Rail, to the medium duty Rapid Strut, to the heavy duty, the Maxx system. All of them come with pre-galvanized option and hot dip galvanized option, plus the BUP Ultra Protect 1000 and stainless steel option. Ultra Protect 1000 is a special service treatment. It's a patent of Walraven, and it's better than hot dip galvanized. It can withstand salt spray test of 1000 hours, and it is good alternative to stainless steel in some cases. Other products we can offer is the pipe support for all types of applications, starting from plumbing, chill water, heating, water supply, water retain, plus firefighting pipes. Same surface treatment, pre-galvanized, electro-galvanized, hot dip galvanized, with or without rubber lining. The rooftop support suitable from light to heavy loads, non-penetrative support, and of course with noise insulation and anti-vibration product. The Rapid Rail, the light duty support channel, it's a C profile with continuous perforation and open from the other side. Unique perforation for hanging both sides, and the sizes available are 27 by 18 by 1.5 by 1.2 millimeter with the RAL approval, with full range of accessories that are fast and easy fixing, pre-assembled accessories, no loose part. The advantages for them that you will not lose any part outside, ready to use, pre-assembled, and it will complete the range of both the rail and accessories. These are some examples of the installation for sanitary application, plumbing pipes, plastic pipes, and ductwork application that are having lightweight compared to the other pipes. Medium duty support is the Rapid Strut system, again a C profile with continuous perforation, and there's unique hole pattern allow the Rapid Strut accessories to be mounted from both sides, and we have the special cross section which is called DS5, which allow fixing from both sides, and sizes starting from 4121 1.5 to 4182 double 2.5 mm. System saves up to 50% of installation time, and because it is using the bolting mechanism with the accessories. Some application on the roof installation using strut system with the Yeti rooftop support are shown in this picture. Again, the same range of accessories that are pre-assembled, ready to use, suitable for all strata profiles, and so on. It will save 40% of your time. This is another recommended for all types of piping and ducting suitable for parallel services installations such as refrigeration, HVAC, firefighting pipes, multi-service support. We have also a wide range of cantilever and accessories consisting of cantilever arm, ropes, connectors for easily installation at any base plate or base material. We have three sizes of base plates: light, medium, and heavy, for different type of loading, for floor installation or ceiling installation or wall installation. Also, the beam clamp in case of you are installing in steel structure building, factory, warehouse, where you are not allowed to drill in the beam structure. There's beam clamp and girder clamps for this type of installation. Heavy duty rails for from the name of it, for heavy duty application, big diameter pipes, chilled water pipes, big size ducts, mainly like smoke management duct that have very heavy weights. This profile also, it is closed profile that's perforated from all the sides, and it have unique hole button to allow the accessories and channels to be mounted on all the sides of this profile. It's available in 3 sizes. Currently, previously it was 2 sizes: 100 by 100 by 30 mm, 100 by 120 by 4 mm, and we recently introduced a new size which is 80 by 80 by 3 mm as well. And the advantage of it, it is avoid welding and any associated or related work to the welding. Standard finish of this profile, it is hot dip galvanized. Wide range of accessories also to fix and create any frame support we want, starting from the base plate, linear connector, 3D coupler, 3D connector that are connected to each other using the hammer fix. Simple, insert, rotate, tight. Some of the applications, some projects that we did here in the UAE for this heavy duty profile. You can see here the steel structure of this building where we create secondary support from the Maxx profile, and we dropped the normal trapeze hanger for different services, circular duct, cable trays, and some firefighting pipes directly from the Maxx system. Our steel products are protected by a range of zinc coating applied to the steel surface. Continuous slotted channel. Zinc is applied as a steel, as drawn continuously through the bath of molten zinc. Specific uniform thickness is applied to the entire product. Typical coating for zinc plating item is between 20 to 30 microns. Hot dipping, a process is to apply zinc to steel by immersing it on a zinc bath, usually it's around 450 degrees Celsius. That's why it's called hot dipped. Thin zinc layer is applied, and usually the thickness between 45 or 35 to 100 microns, depending on the thickness of the material itself, and it's commonly considered for the outdoor applications. We offer also a unique solution to high corrosion protection, which is BIS UltraProtect 1000. It's innovative service treatment. It's designed for corrosive environment up to C4 class, extensive fixing system for indoor and outdoor uses, and complete system consisting of channels, accessories, and clamps. Smooth and uniform finish, designed to effectively withstand salt spray test of 1000. There comes the name, UltraProtect 1000. And it is highly recommended for the high corrosion resistance C4, where we, as mentioned earlier, spaces with high frequency and condensation and high pollution from the production process. A quick comparison between zinc plating, hot dip galvanizing, and UltraProtect 1000 when it is tested in the salt spray test. For the zinc plated, it hardly can take 80 hours without changing or without corrosion. For hot dipping, maximum 600 hours. Of course, it depends on the thickness of the micron. When we say maximum 600 hours, that's for minimum 55 micron thickness, and for Ultra Protect 1000, it is 1000 hours without changing its specification and without any corrosion. Because this treatment is considerably passive, it can be combined with zinc-plated, pre-galvanized or hot galvanized product. Another comparison between different surface treatment, you can see here that the Ultra Protect 1000 is very close to the stainless steel, and it might be used as alternative to the stainless steel as well. The Ultra Protect 1000, the best Ultra Protect 1000 product range include clamps, rails, and accessories, and it's suitable or compatible with the rooftop support, which is our topic for today. Along with the accessories, we provide 20 years warranty for this system, to be giving that all the system components are Ultra Protect 1000 surface treatment. Now we'll go to the innovative rooftop installation system for all the installation types. Starting from the Yeti system, we have three sizes of the Yeti. Yeti 130, which talk about the dimension, 130 by 130. Yeti 335, of course, Yeti 130 is the light duty application, again, medium duty application, Yeti 335, and the premium products with more load or more duty application, which is the Yeti 480. Yeti 130 is flexible and reliable foundation for the light strut based installation on the roofs. It also comes with a non-slip anti-vibration mat to prevent damage on the roof membrane. Yeti 335 is a smaller family member of the best Yeti 480, and it's designed to support installation on flat roofs or flat surfaces in combination with the rapid strut fixing rail. The Yeti 480 is a non-penetrative modular system for supporting installation on flat roofs and flat surfaces, and even low pitch roofs up to 7 degrees, because it has this self-balancing option. This green part is sliding. We can see another slide also how it slides to make self-balancing up to 7 degrees. And this Yeti 480 is available for both vertical and horizontal application. You can both install vertical channel or horizontal channel depending on the application. Hello? I saw some comments that my voice was not there. Sorry, there's some technical issue. I was talking about Yeti 480. It's a modular support system for climate installation, walkway solar panels. It is UV tested and chemical resistant tested, noise reduction up to 31 decibel. It is a good solution when it's required to isolate any noise on the roof from the interior of the building, and it is UltraProtect 1000 compatible system. Up to 7 degrees self-balancing, rotation for 360 degrees to decide where is the connection point of the channel, and it comes with built-in non-slip anti-vibration mat, and there's an option for horizontal installation. Maximum load capacity is 20 kilonewton when it's used with 4141 2.5 channel, and 30 kilonewton when it's used with the channel 41 by 51. But of course, this maximum capacity, it doesn't mean that I should apply this load on it, because the load restriction is not related to this Yeti feet or to the support. It's related to the roof finishing and roof waterproofing and roof insulation, that we don't want to damage or deform this roof finish. So other factors are affecting my calculation or our selection and design. We'll talk about it in the next slides. The Yeti 335 is the basic support. It is again for the same application of the Yeti 480 with the same tests and same noise resistance or noise reduction, but it doesn't have all the features that available in the 380, in the 480. Same load carrying capacity, but for the Yeti 480, it will distribute the load more efficiently on the roof, because it have bigger this area, and as we know, the pressure is the force divided by the area. So once the area is increasing, the pressure on the roof is decreasing, and it have high loading supporting capacity. Next product is the Yeti 130. It is for light duty application. Cable trays, small diameter pipes, pre-insulated ducts, maybe. Light duty application, suitable for light application up to 2.5 kilonewton. And it can be fixed with 4121 channel, and it have unique click mechanism where the yellow part, the yellow support is inserted in the strut channel slots in a click mechanism. The other product is the offset system, modular supporting system for climate installation, same application but with different load values. We are talking about 1 kilonewton, 2 kilonewton, up to 3 kilonewton depending on the length. Noise penetrative and high load resistant support bases designed to reduce the noise and slippage. So it comes with non-slip anti-vibration mat, and the noise reduction test that shows the 31 decibel. It is verified according to the ISO 10140 and tested with several load and roof types. Noise reduction up to 31, and this also load is for the other product, the 8338. Friction coefficient 0.75, tested with several loads and prevent slippage even when subjected to considerable wind gusts. This is the load testing for both the 80. Shows the value of 20 kilonewton and 30 kilonewton when it's applied on it alone with a strong roof. The advantages of using Diamond Walraven rooftop support system are huge. First, most important advantage is no drilling required. When you say no drilling, that means it prevents penetration on roof membrane and reduces the risk of leaks. Effective uses of the system shown before, you can save time and money. Installations are done twice as fast as compared to the standard system. Recyclable mounting units are made from recycled weather and UV resistant material. Optimized load distribution. Optimal distribution of the load and reduction of dead weight protects the roof surface. Sorry. And save time and money during the installation. Sound vibration proof, and it is soundproof according to the German standard. Installation, we do designing or engineering in the right way. We have our own design tools and software, 3D software and finite element analysis software to check the design feasibility, testing the section stresses, moment, deflection, reactions, as well as verifying the connectors between the elements. This is a real example of one of the support that we did last year. Or on it is smoke management duct on the roof using the rooftop support installation, and this is some installation with for air handling unit where optimal load distribution on the roof. The services doesn't end at Hira Walraven after you have purchased our product. No, we pride ourselves on our invaluable after sales support and technical advice based on your individual requirement. Our technical engineers deliver to you a comprehensive proposal including detailed calculation, drawings, part list, BOQs, all to make your life easier and to support you at the site. In the next few slides, we'll show some real examples of this rooftop support installation. I have 5 more minutes to show these examples. This, for example, a heavy duty equipment where we combined the heavy duty support, the Maxx system, with the rooftop support. This is how we combined them. This project. It was done in Europe. This is from our Europe colleagues. This heavy duty equipment, it was done here in Dubai, the one in the right. Sorry, the one in the left. We combined the 62 channel with the rooftop support using the Yeti 480, this big air handling unit, and another combination with the Maxx support with the Yeti system. It's shown in this picture. So the base of the support is consisting of the strut system. Because of the heavy load or the heavy equipment, the heavy weight of the equipment, we put a secondary support, linear support, consists of the Maxx, the heavy duty support, the heavy duty profile, and the equipment was positioned on this way so that the load distribution will be distributed equally in the optimum way on the roof, so that the roof will not have any deformation and or let's say will have deformation within the allowable limits. Some other installation for pipes, gas pipes, 2 layers plumbing pipes, or this was rainwater pipe, and so on. Some examples of the step overs, depending on the height of the pipe and services, we create many steps. These steps can be made of the strut system as well, or it can be made by the steel mesh or the what call it grating system. So this is suspended bridge for cable trays and pipes, and here just a step over or a way to go to the other side of the roof without any difficulties, and here the step over to protect the services that are installed beside the equipment. This is some installation or example picture of the ORSYS system used to support the cable tray, which is considered somehow lightweight application or light duty application. This is combination of the Maxx system for the heavy duty duct or smoke management duct, where the duct size was 3 meter by 1 meter by 1.5 meter, and it is heavy duct, so the support was consisting of the Maxx system. Another combination, this is for raised floor example, and this is combination of different distribution way of the feet, not necessarily to be one line. We can create multi base or multi-feet support depending on the weight or the reaction result by the software. In conclusion, consider good installation practices to minimize the risk of corrosion. First, design the system in such a way that there is no possibility of water waste or organic otherwise stagnating around the metal products. Like we can see here in the picture, if you put metal direct, then there will be option for stagnating around the metal. But when using the Yeti or since the lifetime of the system is increasing, to make sure water runs off freely, place the parts in an angle of at least 2 degrees, and this is also applied already in the project that we already worked. And because this strut system contains self-repairing properties, it's possible to cut the rail to length to meet your needs. And there is like some scales on the channel itself to know the measures, and it will make it easy to cut. And the last feature in this part, I would say that also end caps, it will fit. We have end cap for each size of the channels, for starting from the light duty to medium duty to heavy duty, and it will give clean finishing of the rail end, prevent the accumulation of dirt inside the rail, and it's used to prevent further corrosion possibilities that might happen on the site. So it is fitted on the support itself. My time is finished now. Thank you for listening. Thank you for attending.